Hello, good morning, guys. My friend agree with me, and he is fantastic guy from New Zealand. Okay, he live in Qatar, and he doing here work some scrap business. See, this is the scrap business. All scrap he loading with this JCB to the truck. And I am Shankar with him. I am just helping to him. Mr. Agri, how are you? Good? Oh, I know, good. Hmm? These people working very hard with this aerobic. So tomorrow they coming on the YouTube channel. You are from where, brother? India?
Nepal.
He is from Nepal, and he is from Pakistan. Nepal also? Huh?
Nepal.
Not from Pakistan, huh?
Now let him call your pick up this one. No need it. Cutting colors, no need cutting. This one going, this one
Cutting color. Cutting नहीं करेगा. This guy be careful, Alatul coming side of truck. Then
इधर का हदीस बताया तो भी छोड़ देगा.
इधर कटिंग बटिंग कुछ नहीं है.
उधर हदीस बताया ना बहुत ज्यादा.
मालूम नहीं.
Now give order, no cutting colors. You call pick up this one.